Today we're going to introduce equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal to one another. They represent the same part of a whole. Imagine the circle on our screen represents a pizza pie. And I'd like to split that pie into two equal parts. Now that I have two equal parts, let's make part of our pie pepperoni. Can you determine what fraction of the pie is pepperoni? That's correct. 1/2 of our pie is pepperoni. Let's cut our pie in half yet again, creating 4 equal parts. Of the 4 equal parts, how many of those parts are pepperoni? Correct, 2. Therefore, we can see that 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. Finally, let's cut our 4 equal parts into 2 equal parts, which will give us 8 equal parts. Of the 8 equal parts, how many are pepperoni? Correct, 4. This diagram shows us that 1/2 is equivalent to both 2/4 and 4/8.